you considering flipping a house in Chicago or surrounding suburbs but worry about making costly mistakes? What if I told you there's a way to avoid the most common pitfalls and ensure your investment is a success? I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I'm your local real estate expert. I specialize in both residential and commercial properties in the Chicago and Chicago suburbs. Today I'm going to share the top 7 things not to do when flipping a home, and most importantly, how to avoid them to maximize your profits. Skipping the inspection. One of the biggest mistakes is not conducting a thorough inspection. Always invest in a professional inspector to uncover hidden issues that could cost you thousands later. Remember, what you don't know can hurt you, especially with costly structural issues or code violations. Understanding renovation costs. Flipping a house can come with unexpected expenses. Make sure to budget for all your possible costs and add a contingency fund for surprises. Costs can escalate very quickly, especially if you discover hidden damages or need to upgrade outdated systems like plumbing and electric. Ignoring the market trends. The real estate market is a dynamic. Stay updated with the latest trends and neighborhood developments to ensure your flip appeals to the current buyers. Failing to understand what buyers want in today's market can lead to over improving or under improving the property, impacting your sale price and time on the market. This is a big one. Doing it yourself. While DIY can save you a lot of money, some tasks are best left to the professionals. Hiring experts for plumbing, electrical work, and major renovations can prevent costly mistakes and ensure quality work. Attempting complex projects without the right skills can lead to results and even unsafety hazards, devaluating your investment. Neglecting permits. Always check and obtain the necessary permits for your renovation. Skipping this step can lead to fines and project delays. Unpermitted work can also cause problems during the sale, as buyers and their lenders often require proof that all work has done legally and to code. Overpricing the property. Setting an unrealistic sale price can prolong the selling process. Price your flip competitively based on the market analysis and comparable sales. Overpricing can deter potential buyers, leading to extended market time and eventually price reductions, which can harm your profitability. Poor marketing strategy. To sell your flip property quickly, use effective marketing strategies. Professional photos, staging, and leveraging social media can attract more potential buyers. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is very crucial. Without, your property may not go unnoticed by serious buyers. Now that you know what not to do, let's talk solution. Partner up with me as an experienced real estate professional. Let me guide you through every step of the house flipping journey, from finding the right property to selling it to the best price. I'm here to help you succeed. And if you're ready to start flipping houses or need expert advice, call me, Hugo with Coldwell Banker, 773-550-4846. I'll be with you every step of the way, holding your hand through the process to ensure that you're not alone in your real estate investment. And if you find this video informative and educational, don't forget to follow us on social media platforms. Like, comment, and share with all your friends and family. Together, we can make your real estate dreams come true.